Okay, student, the problem number 17. Okay, a stone is allowed to fall from the top of a tower 100 meter high, and at the same time, another stone is projected vertically upwards from the ground with a velocity of 25 meter per second. Calculate when and where the two stone will meet. So when, so that means time, and where, that means your position, that means height. Okay, so first one you have to just look here. Okay, so first one, when the stone is dropped. Okay, so when the stone is dropped from certain height, so when the stone is dropped from certain height, that means the height is equal to, total height equal to 100 meter. Okay, so here, from here the stone is dropped, so the stone is coming here. Okay, and at the same time you are throwing one stone vertically upwards from the ground. So you are throwing one stone vertically upwards. Okay, so with the initial velocity u equal to 20, what's the value? Initial velocity u equal to 25 meter per second. Yes, 25 meter per second. So u equal to 25 meter by second. Okay, okay. Next one, so when and where it will meet. So when means when you are throwing downwards, when you are throwing upwards. So both also will meet at point, no, at what point, that means at what time both stone will meet each other, and at what position each stone will meet each other. Okay, so from the first case I have taken, so case number 1. Okay, so first case I have taken, so case 1. So here what is the thing is, the stone is dropped at certain height. Okay, so first one, when you are dropping at certain height, your initial velocity u equal to 0 meter by second. So first one you have to notice, and the next one is let t is the time taken. Okay, when two objects are meeting at each other, so we have to take, so time taken is t. I have taken t. Okay, and when you are dropping any object, what is your gravitational value, that means acceleration value? So when it is coming downwards means positive. Okay, that means 9.8 meter by second square. Okay, and what is that formula? So we can use with the relate with that height. Okay, so we consider here it equation as s equal to ut plus 1 by 2 a t square. Okay, so s equal to ut plus of at square. Okay, so that means u equal to 0 meter per second, so substitute the value, s equal to 0 u, and t means t only. Okay, plus of into 9.8 into the t itself, t only, no, so t square. Okay, so mark this equation number 1. Okay, so this is that equation number 1. Can you understand? So first one, when you are dropping the object at certain height, your initial velocity should be 0 meter per second, and the time, that is here both stones and all meeting at the time t. I have taken time is equal to t, and when you are dropping that object, a equal to 9.8 meter by second square, so s equal to ut plus of at square. So s equal to, substitute the values, so 0 into t, what is the value? 0 into t, what is that value? So 0 into t, 0 only, so s equal to half into 9.8 t square. So when you cancel this one, 1 2s are 2, 4.9, so 4.9 2s are 9.8. okay, so this is 9.8. okay, 9.8. so s equal to 4.9 t square. Okay, am I right? 4.9 t square. So can I rub this one? Okay, so the first equation what we found, s equal to 4.9 t square. This is that first equation. Okay, So the next equation, what is the thing is, so when you are throwing the stone, see, when you are throwing the stone upwards, okay, when you are throwing the stone upwards with the initial velocity u equal to 25 meter by second, okay, sorry, 25 meter by second. So at that time, so here also when you are throwing upwards, okay, that means what happened to your a value, minus 9.8, okay, minus 9.8 meter by second square, okay. And what's the t means t only, because here I have taken t is the time which is meeting point, okay, two stones and all meeting at the time t. So use that equation for second case, s equal to ut plus of at square, okay, am I right? S equal to ut plus of at square. And what is the thing, so just a minute. So yes, you have to u means what the value, 25, and t means what is the value, t here equal to t itself plus of into, when you are throwing upwards, that means your a value should be minus 9.8 into t square. So what is that value, t square? So t equal to t itself, so t square. So here I have mentioned here s into 25 into t, 25t, okay. So here I put for the first case s already put, so I will put s dash, okay, so that only we can know the difference between these two, okay, s dash, okay. So 25t plus 1 by 2 into minus 9.8 into t square, okay. So here I can, shall we cancel this one, 1 2s are 2, minus 4.9 will come, okay, minus 4.9 will come. So just write this equation, s dash, okay. So s dash equal to 25t plus into minus minus 4.9 t square, okay. Can you understand? So s equal to, already we know that equation, so this equation we mentioned it as equation number 2, okay. So what is the thing is, when you are throwing upwards, what will happen? So that means initial velocity present and the acceleration will be in minus 9.8, substitute that value and pick that equation as 2. Can I rub this one? Okay. So first equation what we have seen, s equal to 4.9 t square, this is the first equation, okay. 4.9 t square, this is the first equation. And what is the second equation, s dash, which is equal to 25t minus 4.9 t square. But already we know that, see here, what is the total height? So this total height is equal to 100 meter, am I right? So total height is 100 meter. So when the stone is dropping from this one, it will come this direction, and when it, suppose if it will be here, okay, and the stone is, you are throwing upwards, so the stone is going here and the stone is meeting at point here. So in this point, how much time it takes and what is the distance, okay. So here you know that this stone will come this much position, this stone will come this much position, that means your total weight, height you gained here, okay. So that means s plus s dash, if you adding that first distance and the second distance, if totally we are adding, this is the s, this is the s dash. So if you are adding means what is that value you are getting? So s plus s dash, 25t minus 4.9 t square plus 4.9 t square, am I right? Okay. So this 4.9 t square, this 4.9 t square cancel, plus into plus minus, it will come cancel, okay. So s plus s dash, which is equal to, so what is your s plus s dash, total height, so 100 meter, okay. So that means 25t, which is equal to 100 meter. Can you understand, students? Just pause the video and note it. Can I rub? Okay. So 25t, which is equal to 100, and t equal to 100 divided by 25, okay. So 100 divided by 25, so 125s are 25, 425s are 100, so t equal to 4 seconds. So t equal to 4 seconds, so that means at the time 4 seconds, both stones and all meet at each other when the time is t equal to 4 seconds. So next, what is the question they asked? They asked that the position, or at the time t equal to 4 seconds, what is the position? So position means we found that equation. So what the first equation? S equal to 4.9 t square. So 4.9 into t square. So just substitute the value 4.9 into t square. Okay, 4.9 into t square. Okay, first one for t equal to 4 seconds, that means 4 into 4 16. So multiply this value 4.9 into 16. Okay, so 4.9 into 16, what is the value here? 4.9 into what is the thing is 16 now 78.4, that means 78.4. So S equal to is equal, okay, 78.4 meter. So this is the first distance. Okay, so when you are dropping the stone, that time it will cover 78.4 meter from the top. Okay, so from it is bottom, from the bottom you are throwing, means how much distance it occurs. Can I rub? So that equation you just substitute S equal to 25t minus 4.9 t square. Okay, so S dash equal to 25t minus 4.9 t square. So when t equal to 4 seconds, so what is this one? Substitute 25 into 4 minus 4.9 into 4 into 4. Am I right? So S dash equal to 25 into 400 minus 4.9. So 4 into 4 16. Okay, so 4.9 into 16. Okay, S dash equal to 100 minus 78.4. so your S dash equal to 21.6 meter. Okay, so that means when you are throwing the stone upwards, that when you are throwing upward, the stone is reaching 21.6 meter. When you are throwing downwards, the stone is reaching 78.4 meter. Okay, at what time it means at time 4 seconds, both stone will meet each other. So that time the top of the stone will cover 78.4 meter and the bottom of the stone will cover 21.6 meter. Okay, understand students? I hope this is a big problem. Okay, so if you solve it means, if you practice it means, it will be very easy. Okay, so shall we see the next problem? Can I rub this one? So pause the video and note it. Okay, the next problem is already 18th problem I taught, I think so. Okay, what is the thing? Okay, question number 21. The volume of 50 gram of a substance is 20 centimeter per cube, and if the density of the water is 1 gram centimeter minus cube, what will the substance float or sink? Okay, so volume of 50 gram of a substance. So substance 50 gram, they mentioned, mass they given is 20, volume of grams of a substance is 20 centimeter cube. So mass they given, volume they given. Okay, and if the density of the water is 1 gram centimeter minus cube, will the substance float or sink? So when the substance float or sink, what is the condition? When the density will be very less, means the object can float. When the density of the object means high, what is the thing? High means the object may sink. Okay, so what is the thing? First one, the volume of 50 gram of a substance. So that means first one, mass they given, m equal to 50 gram. Okay, m equal to 50